Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get Steam games on mobile or play Steam games on your mobile. So firstly what you have to do is just simply go to your Play Store and search for an app called Steam Link. Then just simply install this particular application. Now after the installation is completed, just simply hit open. Now as you can see over here, it is written get started. Now just simply go to your Steam at your desktop. Just simply open Steam. Now in Steam, just simply click on Steam up here, then settings. Now in settings, you will find remote play. Now over here, what you have to do is just simply change the client option streaming to this computer and change it to balance. Not fast nor beautiful, just balance, because it will be more stable. Now after you have done this change, just simply again go back to your phone and just simply hit get started. Now it is compulsory that your computer and your phone are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. If they are not connected on the same Wi-Fi network, it won't work. So just simply hit scan, or it will automatically find it your desktop. So just simply find your desktop and just simply click on the desktop showing to you on the screen. Just simply hit that. Now as you can see, I have received a pin over here. Now what you have to do is just simply enter this particular pin in your Steam at your desktop. So just simply go back to your desktop again, and as you can see, I have my pin over here and the pin was 2448. Then hit continue. Now again go back to your phone, and now it's doing a network test to see whether the internet is stable or not. And as you can see, now the network test has been completed. So just simply hit OK. So again, just simply hit OK if a warning pops up. Now all you have to do is just simply hit the big start playing button. Just simply hit that. So as you can see, the Steam is now streaming the game entirely on your screen. So all you have to do is just simply choose a game that you want to play from the controllers given to you on your screen, or if you have added a additional controller of a PlayStation or Xbox, you can also use that. So just simply choose a game, then press A. Now the Steam will calibrate your controller. So just simply wait for it and hit A, then again A. Now just simply hit play. Now the game is launching. And as you can see over here, the game has started. Now all you have to do is just simply choose a map and start playing the game. So let me show you. And as you can see over here, the game is completely functional. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.